Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so I received a few messages, and it looks like I wasn't clear enough. So let me zoom out a little bit. So once again, let me go on the 8 hours. Okay, so I know it's a little bit messy, but just the bigger picture here. So this was our top of the cycle. Now we have an A, we have a B, and we have 5 wave down. So this closed the bigger wave A. Now we're working into this B wave that should go quite high, hopefully. Now within this B wave, we only made the A wave. So if I zoom in, let's move the drawings. So if I zoom in, okay, I know I'm moving maybe a lot. Sorry about that. So, trying to take the screen the most I can. Okay, so this was our wave A in red. This is the A, B, C for the B in red. And now, even though I do have another option, another scenario where a third wave is not finished. Also, okay, so let me start. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, and honestly, if you see the proportion, it did reach the 1.36 fib extension. After that, we had, yes, a deep correction for this fourth wave. Anyway, this is not a surprise. This is a diagonal. And we have this fifth wave. You know, fifth wave has to go 1 or 2 level higher of the previous one, which is the third wave. So, well, you know, it did go 1 level higher. So it did reach the 1.618, 75 for, actually went a little bit higher, almost $76,000. And now let me move all this from here. Okay, so I could say now, because I have this A, this B, and this C, and within the C, the count is completed, I could say that this A wave is completed. Also, I did the fib extension of this A wave to the end of this B wave. The 1-to-1 ratio, we did reach it, so it was 75,301. So this is why I am saying officially A wave should be completed, because all the rush are there. We have 5 way up for the C wave, wave A, wave C, 1-to-1 ratio reached. So there you go. All right, so now it means we should be working into this B wave, right? B wave in orange. So it means that this is the A wave. Let me put it a little bit bigger. So this is the A wave. Actually, I should change color. Since this is the correction of the correction, let me put it in red. Okay. Now, I can go back on the 1 hour maybe, so we have more structure, detail. Okay, so as you can see, I already labeled, we had 5 wave down, and so this is the A wave in red. Now we're working into this B wave. Now, the interesting thing is, we are kind of working into this ABC for the B wave here. All right, so we have the A, we have a 3 wave down for the B, and now we're working into this C. This I will explain later. Let me move it on the side here. Actually, this I'm going to put it in red. Okay, so actually, let me put something more flashy so we know it's there. Okay, so this is the A, this is the B. Let's go and check out what would be the extension for this C wave. So from the beginning of this A wave to the end of the wave A to the end of the B wave. So 1-to-1 ratio, 73,477. And as you can see, we do have the MA55 here. It's at around 72,776. Let's see how it goes. I believe that, yeah, we should really look into this this level here. If we can get some height, then I think I'm going to take some small profits here when I bought lower. And the reason is actually, you know, I was so overwhelmed that, you know, I should have sold here, but I just forgot about it, honestly. And yeah, so here for me, it would be, for my strategy, by the way, I'm going to take some profits. The reason is, if this is the A, if I wave down, 3-way up, well, you know, I'm preparing and I want to recharge for this 5-wave down and this retracement here. So there you have it. Let me put it on the left side so maybe it's a little bit better visually. Okay, so this is the idea now. Now, for this scenario here, it would be still that we're going to make a new lower low, and this could be instead just a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, and then we're going to make a third, a fourth, and a fifth. And this would be kind of the path to reach those level there. And you know, yeah, the 75, the 56, $57,000 does appear to happen, you know, in some scenarios. This is the most short-term bearish. And I would say if we do that, I'm honestly not convinced we're going to do that. This is my alternative scenario, and I really do believe that we are working into this B wave now, and after that we're going to complete this B wave in orange that I don't even know where is it anymore. Oh, lost it. Yeah, I was very far. Yeah, so I do believe in this scenario here. Okay. So once again, 65, 64,000. I believe we're heading there, and after that we're going to have the 5-way up. That should be more. I don't want to say impulsive, but more substantial to bring price at least, I would say, 86,500. And who knows, after that we're going to check how explosive it's going to be. And honestly, this kind of coincide also maybe perhaps on the Clarity Act that can be signed. I know people are saying it sucks, the yield are not going to be allowed on the balances, but maybe you need to place them for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year to have the yields or something like that. It's still a work in progress. But so I do believe, yeah, mid-April, end of April, I don't think the Clarity Act is going to pass yet. We do have some news maybe that's going to make us reject the price here and crash down, and the news would just accelerate the movement, not that it's going to be the reason why we're going down, because we're meant to go down. So what I'm still saying here is we are still meant to go a little bit higher, and after that make a correction. to complete this ABC for the B wave in blue, and after that we're going to make a C wave to the upside. All right, so hopefully it's clear, more clearer now. So this would conclude this B wave in orange, and after that we will go higher. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.